Is your credit score a total mystery? Borrowell might have the answers, but should you trust it? Ever applied for a loan and gotten slapped with a sky-high interest rate? Or maybe you got rejected for a credit card entirely, left wondering why. Well, my friend, it all boils down to one crucial number, your credit score. This 3-digit beast holds immense power over your financial life. It dictates the interest rates you qualify for, whether you get approved for loans and apartments, and even how much you pay for insurance. Basically, a good credit score is your golden ticket to financial freedom, while a bad one can leave you stuck in penalty purgatory. That's where credit monitoring apps like Borrowell come in. They promise to unveil the mysteries of your credit score, offering easy access and, supposedly, actionable insights. But before you dive headfirst into the world of Borrowell, let's crack the code and see if it's the real deal or a credit score snake oil salesman. Breaking down Borrowell, the good stuff. First things first, Borrowell is completely free to use. You can sign up, check your Equifax credit score, one of the 2 major credit bureaus in Canada, and see your credit report, all without a penny leaving your pocket. That's a major win, especially compared to traditional methods that often come with hefty fees. Now, let's talk about features. Borrowell doesn't just throw your credit score at you and leave you hanging. They offer a bunch of helpful tools, like weekly credit score updates. Unlike some services that update your score monthly or even less frequently, Borrowell keeps you in the loop with weekly updates. This lets you track your progress in real time and see how your financial decisions are impacting your score. Credit report breakdown. Borrowell goes beyond just the score. They explain what's in your credit report, deciphering all the jargon and highlighting areas that might be dragging your score down. This transparency is crucial for understanding how to improve your credit health. Personalized tips and insights. Based on your credit report, Borrowell offers personalized recommendations on how to boost your score. These might include paying down debt, getting a credit card with a low limit and using it responsibly, or disputing any errors you find on your report. Borrowell, the not-so-good stuff. While Borrowell offers a bunch of free perks, there are a few things to consider before you sign up and spill your financial beans. Limited credit bureau coverage. Borrowell only shows your Equifax credit score. Remember, there are 2 major bureaus in Canada, Equifax and TransUnion. So, while Borrowell gives you a good picture, it's not the whole story. To get a complete view of your credit health, you might need to check your TransUnion score separately. Upselling and potential fees. While the core features are free, Borrowell loves to push their premium products. These might include credit monitoring with additional features or even identity theft protection. These can come with monthly fees, so be wary of getting sucked into services you might not need. App reviews and user concerns. While Borrowell boasts positive testimonials, some users report glitches in the app, difficulty navigating the interface, and even issues with customer service. It's always a good idea to check reviews before diving into any financial app. The verdict, is Borrowell right for you? Alright, let's address the elephant in the room. Is Borrowell worth your time? Here's the deal. For credit newbies, if you're new to the credit game and have no clue where to start, Borrowell can be a great resource. Their free features offer a solid foundation for understanding your credit score and how to improve it. For credit veterans, if you're already credit savvy and monitor your reports regularly, Borrowell might not offer much you don't already know. You could consider checking your TransUnion score directly and utilizing free resources from reputable financial institutions. Borrowell isn't a magic bullet, but it can be a helpful tool, especially for those starting their credit journey. Just remember, it's not the only option. Explore your options, be mindful of potential fees, and don't rely solely on Borrowell to manage your credit health. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.